Earlier we made ube crepe rolls. Now we're making ube pancake or crepe cake. Welcome back to Channel Juan. This is the part 2 of our ube crepe or pancake cakes. Another sweet adventure here on Channel Juan. Join me here at the kitchen and later, let's bring it to Man and Grace at the garden. This was a bit overpowering. The amount of the halaya was too thick, that is too strong. Nakakasawa. So that's why in our next version, the version B, we will be reducing the concentration of the halaya by mixing it with flour and making a not a suspension but a paste to use as a filling. But first, let's make the pancakes or the crepes. But first, quick refresher from how we made the batter from part 1. There's a link to part 1 where the complete procedure for this has been provided. For version B, I'll be adding ube flavoring to the batter. Approximately 1 teaspoon only. This is the most dangerous when it comes to clothes. Most dangerous ingredient. It can stain your clothes. Yeah. Beautiful, look at that. We'd like to retain this beautiful color. That's why I'll be keeping the flame at lower than usual. Because if this burns, we lose the purple. It gets brown. And I'm using an older pan, just to get a smaller diameter. That was more than enough to wet the pan. If you are enjoying the video and you find the instructional value as well as its entertaining value, consider subscribing. You'll see more of this every Sunday. Click the bell icon so that you won't miss any upload. We have a situation here. The pancake stuck to the pan. Don't worry, we can fix this. We can fix this. Stay with me. Definitely not perfect, but I'm not throwing this away. We can still use this. We'll be layering the pancake, so this will be hidden. The old pan is no longer non-stick. I'm beginning to doubt, but I need a smaller pan. Let's continue with this pan. I gave up with the small pan. I changed it. I transferred pan because the non-stick layer of this no longer works. It's time to buy a new pan. That's why I don't skip the ad so that I can buy a new pan. So while this cooks, we'll make the yema filling. Yema or custard filling, just milk and egg yolk to be exact, plus sugar if you're not using condensed milk. Let's just add milk. That's it. And our pancake deserves its share of the attention. This is good. Flip it over. Now, this pan has its purpose. It found its purpose. We'll cook that alla Marie. Or estilo Bagno Maria. And don't forget the pancake cooking. And flip to cooking the filling. This is good. Thick enough. Let's stop. Now it's time to layer the pancakes. And spread the filling. It doesn't have to be cold. And spread the filling layer by layer. Layer by layer. Just continue the process until we reach our desired height, or until we exhaust our prepared pancake. This is easy. The last layer, the topmost. Done. Done. Look at that. Look at that. If you found this attractive, well, we're not yet done. It's time to slice. See those beautiful layers. And final look. And for more visual impact, I don't know if this helps. I don't know if this helps. As I promised, 2 ways. Ube Crepe Cake, instant. And join me, let's bring it to the garden to Manang Grace. Manang Grace!
Yan! Ayun nata! Ayun mo! Ayun nag-ibas! Napo, Ube!
Yeah. Makan. Jaran!
Garan! Oh, time for coffee! Come,
Good.
coffee drinker.
Ang ganda ng mga akot ko. Kano ba ka naka-marinate dito?
Iyan, kakalolo, kakukwa lang. Karuluwar ko dito depress.
Thank you for joining us today, and see you in the next video.